Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the CeraVe facial moisturizer, and this moisturizer has SPF. So basically it's the AM one. So the AM one basically contains SPF and SPF of 25, which is reasonable. If you'd like to know how to use this product to get the best out of it, carry on watching. So first things first, you want to wash your face with your cleanser, not body wash or anything. You want to use your facial cleanser to wash your face. So now I'm just washing my face. I'm just massaging the cleanser onto my skin, breaking down all the dirt and oils and sebum and everything that would potentially clog my pores. So that's what you want to do. You want to wash your face. Yeah. So after cleansing your face, the next thing you want to do is to use a toner, and this toner is from April Skin. It's their Artemisia rice essence toner. So basically it's a toner and an essence as well, and it's very mild. So I just use this to wipe my entire face, and the essence of using the toner is that toners ensure that you get off all the residue of dirt that you didn't wash off, that your cleanser didn't take off, or also the cleanser in case you didn't rinse your face thoroughly. But if you do not have a toner, there's no big deal. You proceed to the next step. So at this point, this is when you use whatever treatment or whatever serum you want to use. And if you do not have any treatment or any serum, then you proceed to the next step. So I'm just going to go in with my face serum, and I'll just apply this onto my face. After using your face serum, be sure to wait a while for the serum to absorb fully into the skin. And so at this point, the serum is fully absorbed into the skin. The next step is your moisturizer. This is the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. This is one that I use in the morning, and it's non-comedogenic and is good for normal to dry skin. This is what the consistency looks like. And this product is great as well because you don't need to start layering your moisturizer and then following up with an SPF. At least this has an SPF of 25. So if you're in a very sunny environment, I would suggest that you top up your SPF because you want that maximum protection. So this is what the consistency looks like at the back of my hand. You can tell that it has SPF to it, but over time it gets to disappear onto the face or onto the skin. So yeah, you can see how I just had to rub it behind my hand so I can bring it close to the camera so you can see better. So I'm just going to proceed to applying it now. Carry on massaging it onto the face until it's fully, would I say, not exactly fully absorbed, until it no longer has that cast to it. I like the fact that it has the SPF to it. The issue of having to use your moisturizer and then an SPF on top, this already cuts that, the two steps, it makes it just one. This is basically how you get to use your CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I forgot to mention, this lotion is what you use just in the morning, so it clearly states AM, and the reason why it states AM is because of the SPF content in it. In the daytime, SPF is very essential to protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. So that's how you want to use a CeraVe Moisturizing Lotion. With all that being said, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.